What's going on, everybody? Thank you guys for coming back to the channel. Tonight I got a special treat for you. It's another unboxing of Alpha Outpost. This week, or this month I should say, really impressed me. I really like what came in this box. I was going to wait to open it on camera, but I decided I can't wait. And I didn't want to see anybody else's video of it, so I literally got this box today. Stay tuned after the intro and I'll tell you all about it.
This is the beginning of meditation.
Welcome back, everybody. Hope you guys are enjoying the content. I'm trying to mix it up as much as I can. I got a lot of stuff coming up in the future, so just trying to make the best of it. You know, I still got plenty more to go. I got a couple series going on with beard oils. I think I got a ring series going on. Just a bunch of stuff going on, so I hope you guys are enjoying everything. Tonight is going to be an unboxing of Alpha Outpost. If you're not familiar with Alpha Outpost, it is a monthly subscription box. Your first box is $5, and I guarantee you will not be disappointed when your first box comes. Anything thereafter is $39.95 plus shipping and handling, which everything that I've gotten in these boxes, one item is worth the $39.95. The rest is just a bonus. This box, man, awesome box. Before we get into the review or the unboxing, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you like the video, hit that like button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell for future uploads. As much as I've been uploading, your ringer's going to be going off constantly. I'm an upload mofo. Anyway, sorry about that. This box is called the Trail Box. You know, if you're not familiar, like I said, with the whole Alpha Outpost, it's a camping, hiking, fishing, biking, anything outdoorsy type of stuff that comes in these boxes, and you're not going to be disappointed, I promise. So in this box, in this month's box, as you can tell, it's a pretty big box. Get that glare off of there. And when you open the box, you are greeted with, of course, your card that comes and tells you a little bit about the contents of the box. And I'm not going to read that to you guys because I don't want to give it away. And I'm going to move some of this stuff real quick. And when you open this particular box, you are greeted, I gotta stand up for this, with this stuff. And it is awesome. I keep saying these guys do not disappoint, and they do not disappoint. We'll go over the little things first. Actually, in every box, you get a patch, and it's a thick patch. It's not a cheap patch, and it's got the Velcro on the back of it. Oh, sorry about that, guys. It says take a hike. The first thing you get in the box, of course, if you go hiking, you're going to need something to put your water in. You got this huge water bottle, and it's pretty thick. It's a nice water bottle. It's got a little, it's got a handle right there for it. Plus, it's got a little metal thing where you can attach it to your backpack or something. It's pretty nice. The next one is this, it's a little, I shouldn't say it's a little, it's a huge fanny pack. And there's more than enough room in this little thing. I mean, you can put a lot of stuff in this pack. Got plenty of storage. Put your bottle in there. Another pocket for a bottle. Just, you know, first aid stuff, medical stuff, you know, just anything if you're out hiking during the day, you You just throw it in this bag and you're set. It's got the little handle on the back of it. It's got the netting, and these got pads on the back of them, so they're not digging into your hips or anything. But like I said, guys, these if you're on your second or third box, just this alone is probably worth 40 bucks. And it's nice. It's nice stuff. I'll set that off to the side. And of course, you know, if you're hiking, you know, you're walking, you're gonna need something to, you know, get you up those big hills, especially if it's snowy out. And I think you know where I'm going with this. The big, check this out. Get trekking poles. And if you're not familiar with these, then you probably shouldn't be watching this video. What trekking poles are is, if you're walking, these are adjustable. These come out like so. That one's a little tight. They adjust to your, you know, whatever tallness you are. You just twist them tight, and you know, got the rubber feet. If it's snowy out, they give you the feet for the snow. Guys, this is good stuff. I mean, you can't go wrong. You cannot go wrong with 40 bucks a month. These big price items. Go buy a set of trekking sticks, poles, whatever, out at Dick's or something. You're gonna pay a pretty big price for them. And what's nice about these, they're anti-shock, meaning they'll, you know, they got a little shock absorption rather on the ends of them. So once again, Alpha Outpost, you've blew me away again. At first I was thinking, you know, I'm gonna get the first box, I'm gonna like it. Second box, it's probably not gonna be that great. I was wrong. I can't remember what box this is, but every single box I received, awesome, awesome, awesome. Guys, get your first box for $5. If you don't like it, cancel. It's not that hard. But I'm telling you, it's gonna be worth it. I promise you it's gonna be worth it. So I'll leave all their information down in the description box below. Please, guys, try them out. If you don't like them, put it down in the comments that you got a box and you didn't like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful for you. I hope you will try this company, Alpha Outpost. Like I said, I'll leave their information in the description box. You can't go wrong with them. I haven't been let down once. I can just look forward to more more boxes coming. Thank you guys for sticking around for this unboxing. I appreciate it. Alpha Outpost, keep it up. Keep up the awesome work. Keep up the awesome boxes. Till next time, guys. Peace.